Hello dear friends and students. In this video, I am going to discuss Python program on basic operations on matrix. Dear friends, we are discussing programs on basic signal processing using Python. This is the third program that we are discussing. If you have not watched the videos of previous two programs, you can watch those videos. The links of videos have been given in description of this video. What are the prerequisites to understand this video? Dear friends, you should know the basic operations on matrix and you should know basics of Python programming. And if you don't have a basics of Python programming, I suggest you to go through the playlist displayed in the I button here, and even the link has been given in the description of this video. What is the outcome of watching this video? Dear students, by the end of this video, you will be able to write and execute Python program on basic operations on matrix using NumPy library. So these are some of the basic operations on matrix: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, dot product, cross product. If you represent a vector in a matrix form, you can go through the dot product of matrices, cross product of matrices. You can find a square root of elements, transpose of a matrix, and even inverse of a matrix. These are some of the basic operations. So how we perform these operations? We use Python NumPy library to create a matrix, and later for addition, say there is a method numpy.add which will going to add two matrices. Otherwise even you can use m1 plus m2. Then subtraction, numpy.subtract, or else m1 minus m2. Multiplication, numpy.multiply m1 comma m2. So this will going to multiply element by element, means first element of a first matrix will be multiplied with first element of a second matrix, something like this. Or else you can just directly use m1 into m2, provided if you have created a matrix with numpy.array method. If you create a matrix with numpy.mat method, then m1 into m2 is going to give you the dot product. I have explained this in a previous video. Just go through that if you don't remember. Now here division, numpy.divide, or m1 by m2. So here m2 is divided by m1, and dot product m1 m2. Cross product, here you can see cross product is numpy.cross m1 comma m2. Square root, numpy.sqrt, and square root of a given matrix, it will going to find the square root of all the elements in a given matrix. Then for finding transpose of a matrix, m1 dot capital T, and to find a inverse of a matrix, numpy dot linear algorithm dot inverse of a matrix given. With this, dear friends, let's start coding. I'm going to use Linux operating system, and this is the terminal of Linux operating system, in particular Ubuntu. Let me open a new file with the name operations underscore matrix.py. I'm going to write Python program on basic operations on matrix. First and foremost, let us import NumPy library, import NumPy as np. Now first creating two matrices. First matrix, I'll name it as a mat underscore a is equal to, say here mp dot array. I use a array method to create a matrix. 1 comma 2 comma 3 first row, 4 comma 5 comma 6 second row, 7 comma 8 comma 9. So this is the third row. Similarly, matrix underscore b is equal to numpy dot array, and here let me write 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1 comma 1, and the second row is 2 comma 3 comma 5, and third row anything minus 1 comma 7 comma 2. Yes, I have created two matrices. Let me print them. Print matrix mat underscore a is mat underscore a. So this is single quote, matrix mat underscore b is, so this is mat underscore b. Now let's see how to adding of two matrices. Let us see how to add. So this is very simple. I'll directly print addition of mat underscore a and mat underscore b is. So here this is np dot add, first one is mat underscore a comma, second one is mat underscore b. Similarly, I will copy these two and let me show you subtraction of two matrices. And here, dear friends, instead of this, even you can directly write, mat underscore a plus mat underscore b. Even that will give the same result. And here subtraction, instead of addition, it is subtraction, and for that the method is subtract. So in place of this, what you can do, even you can use mat underscore a plus of mat underscore b, and here in place of this, what you can use is mat underscore b minus mat underscore a. Similarly, multiplication of a matrix A, this is everywhere, and matrix B. Say here instead of subtract, what you can use, multiply, and here instead of minus it is star. And similarly, dear friends, let's write for division of two matrices. Division of matrix A and B is, say instead of multiply, you can use a method divide. So it will going to divide A by B. When you write like this, it will divide A by B. Now dot product also you can find, dot product of two matrices. So print dot product of matrix A and matrix B is, so here np dot product of matrix underscore A comma matrix underscore B. Similarly, you can have cross product also. So here cross product of matrix A and B, say np dot cross, and to find square root of matrix element, so let me print square root of matrix mat underscore A elements. So here it is np dot sqrt of mat underscore A. And to find transpose of a matrix, so this is very simple. Print on a new line, we are going to print transpose of a matrix mat underscore A. So it is very simple, mat underscore A dot capital T. Even dear friends, you can find inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix mat underscore B is, so here it can be found np dot linear algorithm dot inverse of mat underscore B. To find the inverse matrix, it must be a singular matrix. Take care that before you find a inverse matrix, whether the matrix is singular or not, right? So let me save this and execute Python 3. Now this is the result, dear students. Look at this, matrix A, this is a matrix B. Now addition of matrix A and B, say 1 plus 4 5, and here 9 plus 2 11. Subtraction of matrix A and matrix B A minus B. What we have written here? So when we write this, it will be A minus B, not B minus A. So just make it correct. It's A minus B. Subtract A minus B. It is something like that. Okay. So now here multiplication, it's element by element. You can see 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 1 is 3, 4 and 3, and division. So here what's been divided, you can see matrix A has been divided by matrix B. It is A by B. Hope I have written it properly. Just see here. Yes, it is matrix A by B. And after division, this is dot product. Here cross product. Here square root of matrix elements. Transpose of a matrix. And lastly, inverse of a matrix. Hope this is clear to all of you, dear students. This is the Python program on basic operations on matrix which we have written. Just go through the program. If you find any doubts or difficulties to understand this, you can ask the same thing in a comment section of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.